A client recently called with this fake virus infection. I've had many of these calls. It's very easy to deal with. I'm going to show you what the symptom looks like, and you'll be able to hear the audio that comes through on it. The computer is not infected. You don't have to go change a bunch of passwords. You don't have to scan your computer. You don't have to call your bank. It's a very quick, easy fix. Here's what it looks like and sounds like.
Identity theft virus. To unlock the computer, please call support immediately. Please do not attempt to shut down or restart your computer.
Even though the scary fake virus lady just asked you to please not shut down your computer or try to restart it, you absolutely can do that. That will always fix this issue. You can hold down the power button for 10 seconds and your computer will shut down. You can pull a power plug from the wall. A more graceful way to end this would be to bring up Task Manager. That's by holding down the Control and Shift key and tap the Escape key. That'll bring up Task Manager. You can click on the browser and then choose End Task. There are several different varieties of these messages. It could be different voices. They could be saying different things. They all sound very scary. It's always the same thing. Just get out of the message, move on, and you're fine. If you go back to the same website, you'll probably get that same message again. After a period of time, it'll stop happening because they only last for a short amount of time, maybe up to 30 minutes. The best way I've found to prevent these fake virus messages from coming up is to increase security in your browsers. So here in Microsoft Edge, you go to the three-dot menu, then to Settings. On the left-hand side, go to Privacy and Search Services. Scroll way down to the section that deals with Enhance your security on the web. Turn the slider switch on, select Strict. In Google Chrome, you would go to the three-dot menu, then go to Settings. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security, then click Security, then select this Enhanced Protection. That seems to be most consistently the way to prevent these from happening. I hope that was useful. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.